Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to add music to Instagram stories. This is actually very simple. First, you want to head over to Instagram, tap on your story icon. From there, choose whatever background, whatever it is. Now to add to add music to your Instagram story, there's two ways. First up, if you see this music icon at the top, just click on this and you'll find music. Or another thing you could do is just click on this smiley option and then click on music. Now you can search for any music, let's say this song by One Direction. Once I search for it, it comes up, so you just need to select it. I'm not selecting it because of copyright options, but if you want to know what the song sounds like, you could click on this play button at the right to first hear what it sounds like and then tap on here to add this song. But this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.